In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add connectors to PowerPoint shapes so you can create clean, professional flowcharts, diagrams, and organizational charts in just a few clicks. Connectors are incredibly useful because they automatically attach to shapes and stay connected even when you move things around. If you've ever struggled with messy lines that don't stay aligned, this is going to fix that. Make sure to watch until the end so you can get everything connected perfectly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the presentation where you want to add your connectors. You can use a blank slide or an existing slide that already has shapes added. Connectors work best when you're linking shapes like rectangles, circles, process boxes, or any diagram elements. Once you're inside your slide, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including shapes, icons, text boxes, and more. After clicking Insert, look for the Shapes option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Shapes. A large drop-down menu will appear showing different categories, like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, and flowchart symbols. Now here's the important part. In the Lines section at the top of the drop-down, you'll see several line options. Some are regular straight lines, but others are actual connectors. The connectors usually have small dots on the ends. You'll see options like straight connector, elbow connector, and curved connector. Choose the connector style that fits your layout. If your shapes are directly across from each other, a straight connector works great. If your shapes are positioned vertically or need a 90-degree turn, choose the elbow connector. For more flexible designs, you can use the curved connector. Click on the connector you want to use, then move your cursor over the first shape you want to connect. As you hover over the shape, you'll notice small connection points appear around the edges. These points allow the connector to snap into place. Click on one of those connection points, then drag your mouse toward the second shape. When you hover over the second shape, you'll again see connection points appear. Click on one of those points to complete the connection. Now your shapes are officially connected. The best part is that if you move either shape around the slide, the connector will automatically adjust and stay attached. This keeps your diagram clean and professional without needing to redraw lines every time you reposition something. If you want to customize the connector, click on it and go to the Shape Format tab that appears. From there, you can change the line color, thickness, dash style, or even add arrowheads to one or both ends. This is especially useful for flowcharts where direction matters. You can repeat this same process to connect multiple shapes across your slide. Just go back to Insert, click Shapes, choose your connector, and draw between connection points. The more you use connectors instead of regular lines, the more organized your presentations will look. And that's it. That's exactly how to add connectors to PowerPoint shapes quickly and correctly. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your diagrams appear. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. I post simple, step-by-step software guides to help you work smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.